My voice is audible or not? Someone please let me know. Once the voice will be confirmed, I'll just start doing live. So my voice is audible or not? Someone please let me know. Yes. So hi everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Life. So काफी दिन से एक्टिव नहीं था but I was active yesterday, so I guess I need to be apologize. Anyways, so today is 19/8/2025. So I hope you all are doing well. Oh my god. So yeah, so let me quickly start. Meanwhile, if you'll be having any questions, please drop in the chat box and I'll answer whatever questions you have one by one. Right. So let me switch my account. I'm from name. This is pretty fine. Yes. So this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job links I'm going to say with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam, right? So let me quickly start. So if you have any questions, please drop in the chat and I'll answer whatever questions you have. So this is the first job link that we have, which is in Peter Wing. This is for the cybersecurity intern and this is for freshers. This is a 6-month intern, full-time opportunity, and this is in Combator. They are the eligibility criteria BEC from CSC, BTech, MSc should be there, and they are hiring as a cybersecurity intern. If you want to apply, you can drop a resume on this mail ID, and this is the form from where you can apply. Right? If you want any of the link, then please comment it down, and I'll drop a link in the chat box. Next is someone is hiring as a blue team, red team, online paid internship outside India residence. Only if you're a foreigner, then only you can apply. Careers@cyberwar fair.live is the mail on which you should drop your mail. Next is cybersecurity engineer. It's an internship, computer 6-month opportunity. So previously that I have said this is for the same one only. This is the mail ID. And this is the form on which you can apply. So if you want to learn about SOC, okay, because it's booming right now, and there's a lot of hiring in SOC, right? Each and every company is looking for. You can check out this URL SOC viehgroup.com/SOC. Anyways, now next one is cybersecurity intern position in computer office. Okay, this is the mail ID hr@cenovate.com is the mail. Security intern computer is the something that you need to write into the subject line. Next one is someone is immediately hiring as a CISA urgent looking for someone to work. This is for freshers. If you are interested, just drop your resume bhavya.cv at cisainfosec.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. And if you're fresher, your training will be provided, and this is what you need to do: pre-sales, IoT security intern, and mobile testing intern, right? This is probably a PT job. So right now there's a lot of hiring in pen testing as well. So if you want to learn about VAPT in web application pen testing, just check out this URL viehgroup.com/TCI, right? Yeah, that's what we have very short today. Okay, thank you for joining. If you have any questions, please ask. Yes, if you have any questions, please ask. I guess no questions today. So thank you very much for joining. Have a great day. Jai.